Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're delving right into the topic of how to assign tasks to your teammates in Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025. So let's get started. First up, log into your Asana account. Make sure you have the right credentials and you're logged into the correct workspace. This is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where the task you want to assign is located. The reason we do this is to ensure that the task is linked to the appropriate project, making it easier for your teammates to locate and understand the context of the task. Next, find the specific task you want to assign. Click on it to open the task details. In the task details, you'll find an assignee field. Here's where the magic happens. This field is where you'll assign the task to a specific teammate. Click on the assignee field and type in the name of your teammate. As you type, Asana will suggest names from your team. Select the correct teammate from the drop-down list. This helps us because it ensures the task lands in the right hands, creating clear responsibility and accountability. Now that we've done that, let's talk about due dates. Right next to the assignee field, you'll find the due date field. Click on it and select the date by which the task needs to be completed. The reason we do this is to give our teammate a clear timeline for when the task needs to be done, helping them prioritize their work. Lastly, it's always a good idea to add a comment in the task about why you're assigning it to your teammate. This can be done in the comments section at the bottom of the task. Let me explain why this matters. It gives your teammate additional context and understanding of their role in the task, boosting their confidence and clarity. And there you have it. That's how you assign tasks to teammates in Asana. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your team is aligned and tasks are clearly distributed. So, until our next tutorial, remember, clear task assignment in Asana is your key to a more organized and efficient team. Thanks for tuning in.